confirm definition, confirm in a sentence, confirm pronunciation, confirm meaning. Welcome to another research paper word video. American pronunciation of confirm. 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 Confirm means to show that something is true or to agree or repeat something that is true. Confirm usage in academic writing: confirm the results, confirm the date, confirm the location, the data confirmed. Example sentences: confirm verb. New evidence confirmed the witness's alibi. Example sentence number 2, new data gathered from the Hubble Space Telescope confirmed speculations regarding the atmospheric properties of many exoplanets. The academic writing variation is confirmation, noun. The results of the follow-up study in 2019 was confirmation that the model would have useful commercial applications. Please write a sentence using confirm in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use confirm confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.